Hi, I'm Rich Frawley, and I'm the Director of Training at ADF Solutions. Today we are going to add the CAID dataset to a search profile. At this point, you have started to create your own search profile and you want to add your own unique hashes. From your search profile on the right-hand function toolbar, we'll select New Capture, and then search for files by hash value. When creating any capture, a capture group and name must be provided for the capture. We're going to place this in a category we already have called hash sets, and here we are going to add CAID dataset. On the right-hand function toolbar, we have three options. You could add files, pointing it to a directory or folder that contains the files that you want to hash. You can import your own CSV or text list, and today we will be importing the VIX dataset. It is possible to import the CAID formatted JSON files containing hash values. CAID JSON files containing category information will auto tag matching files during a scan with that category number. Select the file that you want to import. Select Open, and you can see the import is beginning. When this is over, a message will be displayed showing the outcome of the import. If the JSON file format is unsupported, a warning will appear here, as well as duplicate hashes that will not be added. Once these values have been added, select the Next button to define the files to hash. We want to pick a file type, so what were the hashes? In this case, it would be pictures and videos. Under Options, you have by default, it will collect the matching files, and we need to select a file identification method. Fast identification identifies file types using the file extension only. Thorough identification for files without extensions uses file signature analysis to identify files that have no file extension and fast identification on those that do. Thorough identification for all files uses file signature analysis to identify all files. This will increase the time that the scan takes to run. Your next section is Search Selected File Types In. So this is your embedded section. Do you want to look in archives? Do you want to look for pictures and videos embedded in documents? And do you want to parse out the PictureDB files? You have your file property options below: file size, pixel size, created date, and modified date. And then select your file source. The entire file system searches for all live files. Targeted folders may be used to limit the extent of the scan, making it run quicker. These can be used to limit the search to areas where evidential material is likely to exist, such as the user profiles. In addition, targeted folders are searched before other folders and are not searched again if both targeted folders and entire file system are selected. Files referenced by artifact records are used to target files referenced by artifact captures, such as your email attachments. If any files are located in the peer-to-peer email messages or downloads, or have recent file entry, the artifact records will be linked to the file. Deleted file targets deleted files for which references can still be found in the file system. And carving pictures from unallocated space. This searches the unallocated space and collects any picture files when their header signature is identified. When the required options are selected, you want to click the Save button. Your hash file capture is now part of your search profile. That's all for this video. Thank you for your time.